Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant collaboration, invite notifications on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable these notifications with the latest Instagram update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon to access your personal settings. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can control what alerts you receive from Instagram. Click on Notifications to open up the Notification Settings menu. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a section called Push Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to manage all the alerts that pop up on your device, including those for likes, comments, and, of course, collaboration invites. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Collaboration Invites. By default, this might be set to On, which is why you're getting those notifications. To turn them off, simply select the Off option. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications every time someone invites you to collaborate on a post or reel. And that's it. You've successfully disabled collaboration. Invite notifications on Instagram using your PC. Now you can browse, post, and interact on Instagram without being interrupted by unwanted invites. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and turn notifications back on if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.